Hello everyone. Are you wondering what cisgender means? Let's explore. Cisgender describes someone whose gender identity aligns with the sex they were assigned at birth. For example, a person assigned female at birth who identifies as a woman is considered cisgender. This term is used to differentiate from transgender, where a person's gender identity does not match their birth-assigned sex. Cisgender is often shortened to cis, and it is part of the broader conversation about gender diversity and identity. The term helps to acknowledge the experiences of those whose gender identity aligns with societal expectations based on their birth sex, while also highlighting the differences in experiences between cisgender and transgender individuals. In essence, being cisgender is about having a gender identity that corresponds with the sex assigned at birth, fitting within traditional gender norms. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.